Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to go over what makes money valuable, and just like in the last video we are reading through Modern Money Mechanics, a workbook on the bank reserves and deposit expansion. This is basically a workbook that explains what money is, how it works, who makes it, and everything in between. This was actually published by the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago back in the 1990s or 1980s, something like that. So this is an old document and not many people know about it, talk about it, or have read it. But on this channel we are going to read it. We're going to go all the way through each and every point and completely understand what exactly is money. What are we all working for? What are we doing? What are we spending? What are the mechanics behind money? Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the second half, which is what makes money valuable. So let's go ahead and get started. What makes money valuable? In the United States, neither paper currency nor deposits have value as commodities. Intrinsically, a dollar bill is just a piece of paper. Deposits merely book entries. Coins do have some intrinsic value as metal, but generally far less than their face value. What then makes these instruments, checks, paper money, and coins acceptable at face value in payment of all debts and for other monetary uses? Mainly it is the confidence people have that they will be able to exchange such money for other financial assets and for real goods and services whenever they choose to do so. Money, like anything else, derives its value from its scarcity in relation to its usefulness. Commodities or services are more or less valuable because there are more or less of them relative to the amounts people want. Money's usefulness is its unique ability to command other goods and services and to permit a holder to be constantly ready to do so. How much money is demanded depends on several factors, such as the total volume of transactions in the economy at any given time, the payments habits of the society, the amount of money that individual and businesses want to keep on hand to take care of unexpected transactions, and the foregone earnings of holding financial assets in the form of money rather than some other assets. Control of the quantity of money is essential if its value is to be kept stable. Money's real value can be measured only in terms of what it will buy. Therefore, its value varies inversely with the general level of prices. Assuming a constant rate of use, if the volume of money grows more rapidly than the rate at which the output of real goods and services increases, prices will rise. This will happen because there will be more money than there will be goods and services to spend it on at prevailing prices. But if, on the other hand, growth in the supply of money does not keep pace with the economy's current production, then prices will fall. The nation's labor force, factories, and other production facilities will not be fully employed, or both. Just how large the stock of money needs to be in order to handle the transactions of the economy without exerting undue influence on the price level depends on how intensively money is being used. Every transaction, deposit, balance, and every dollar bill is a part of somebody's spendable funds at any given time, ready to move to other owners as transactions take place. Some holders spend money quickly after they get it, making these funds available for other uses. Others, however, hold money for longer periods. Obviously, when some money remains idle, a large total is needed to accomplish any given volume of transactions. Alright guys, so that was the end of this section right here for the what makes money valuable, and in the next video we will be going over who creates money, and we're going to keep breaking this down and getting further and further into it. So if you guys want to read this for yourself, just check the description box, the link in the description box below, or go ahead and just type it in Google, type in Modern Money Mechanics PDF, and you'll be able to find a free PDF for this, so you can go and read this for yourself, or you can just go ahead, take a screenshot right now and review it for your notes so you can have it for yourself. But as always, like I said, for the next few videos we will be going over this, we will be reading this, and I'll have it all nice and neat organized in a playlist for you guys. So once again, Modern Money Mechanics, a workbook on the bank reserves and deposit expansion by the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago. If you guys enjoyed that video, go ahead and smash the like button, tap the subscribe button, and as always, my friends, I want to send infinite abundance to you now and forever, and I will see you in the video tomorrow. Peace.